Stress is an inevitable part of the human experience. While it can have beneficial qualities, it can also have damaging effects on our health. Chronic activation of the stress response can literally rewire the brain, alter bodily functions, and contribute to mental health problems, causing us to feel like a tangled mess. Fortunately, these damaging effects can be mitigated by coping strategies like deep breathing and exercise. My research focuses on helping people enhance their coping efforts while living with a chronic disease. For my research, I focused on Black women with multiple sclerosis because they are an underserved and under-researched population. Multiple sclerosis, or MS, is a chronic progressive disease where the immune system attacks the central nervous system, made up of the brain, spinal cord, and optic nerves. Symptoms include cognitive issues, walking difficulties, fatigue, and mood changes. Living with a disease like MS can affect many areas of functioning, so it is likely to cause disruptions to one's education, employment, relationships, and daily living activities. For my research, I developed an 8-week intervention called the Brain-Based Education and Wellness Program, or BWELL program for short. For the program, I integrated brain health information with coping skills training, and I recruited participants that self-reported dissatisfaction with their coping efforts. The Healthy Mind Platter, a holistic framework of essential mental activities that promote brain health and mental wellness, was used to structure the sessions. The aim of the program was to use customized interventions to help participants enhance their coping flexibility, which involves evaluation and adaptive coping. Evaluation coping is the process of abandoning a coping strategy or strategies that produce undesirable outcomes, while adaptive coping occurs when an individual implements a more effective coping strategy. My research program was customized, while most wellness programs are group-based, meaning they don't take individual differences into account. For my program, participants completed assessments before, during, and after the intervention to examine its effect on their coping flexibility. The results indicated that the intervention produced moderate effects for some and significant effects for others. Participants also completed a post-intervention survey and found the intervention to be valuable. My research matters because it's important for all of us to evaluate our coping efforts and develop adaptive strategies. We can learn more effective ways to untangle the stress before it wreaks havoc on our brains and bodies. Furthermore, more diversity and customization in clinical research is needed to make psychological interventions more generalizable and inclusive to ensure better health outcomes for everyone. Thank you.